Hello friends and hello my dear students. Today we have to study property number 3 of matrices. Every square matrix can be uniquely expressed as P plus IQ, where P and Q both are Hermitian matrices. Okay, means square matrix A we can express in the form of P plus IQ, where P and Q both Hermitian matrices. To prove this, let us assume A is equal to half of A plus conjugate transpose of A plus I into 1 upon 2I A minus conjugate transpose of A. Okay, and this is equal to P plus IQ, where P is half of A plus A theta, okay, and Q is equal to 1 upon 2I A minus A theta. Let us find P theta. P theta is equal to conjugate transpose of P is equal to 1 upon 2 A plus conjugate transpose of A, again its conjugate transpose. 1 upon 2 is constant coefficient, so you can take this outside. 1 upon 2, then A plus A theta, its conjugate, that will be A theta plus conjugate transpose of A and again its conjugate transpose, and this is equal to half of A theta plus A. Double conjugate means original matrix A theta theta, that is equal to A, and this is what P. We have proved P theta is equal to P. Similar to this, we can prove Q theta is equal to Q. Let us find Q theta. Q theta is equal to conjugate transpose of left hand side and conjugate transpose of right hand side, that is 1 upon 2I A minus A theta, its conjugate. This is equal to 1 upon 2, this is constant coefficient, and 1 upon I its conjugate transpose. Transpose is not possible, but conjugate we can take. Okay, that's why I conjugate, and then into bracket conjugate transpose of A minus conjugate transpose of A and again its transpose, conjugate transpose. But you know, I bar, that is nothing but minus I. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 into minus I into bracket conjugate transpose of A minus A. Now we want A at first position. Here also you can write this as 1 upon 2 A plus A theta. Okay, because we want original given matrix A at first position in the expansion. So you can take minus sign common from here. This minus sign we are taking common, minus minus plus. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 times I A minus conjugate transpose of A, and which is equal to Q. Hence this is equal to Q. We have proved Q theta is equal to Q and P theta is equal to P. So this implies from this statement and this statement we can say that P and Q both are Hermitian matrices, because P theta is equal to P and Q theta is equal to Q. This condition of Hermitian matrices is proved. Hence P and Q both are Hermitian matrices. This is, you can say, step number 1. Okay, this is suppose step number 1, and in step number 2 we have to prove, uniqueness. Step 2. To prove unique expression. To prove uniqueness of P and Q. Now let us assume square matrix A is equal to new matrices R plus S, R plus IS, okay, where R is Hermitian matrix. Okay, we are assuming this. R is Hermitian matrix and S is also Hermitian. S is Hermitian matrix. R is Hermitian matrix. This implies R theta is equal to R, and S is Hermitian matrix. This implies S theta is equal to S. S theta is equal to S. Okay. Now A is R plus IS. Then conjugate transpose of A is equal to conjugate transpose of R plus IS. Okay. Conjugate transpose of R is R theta plus conjugate transpose of I, that is conjugate of I, and S theta. Okay. So this can be written as this is equal to R theta minus R theta is equal to R, na? R theta is equal to R minus IS. A theta is equal to, we have obtained R minus IS, and A is R plus IS. But you know, in step number 1, we have taken P is equal to half of A plus A theta. Now A and A theta in terms of R and S. A is this 1 upon 2 R plus IS, and A theta is R minus IS plus R minus IS. Now plus IS minus IS gets cancelled. R plus R, 2R, 1 upon 2, 2R. 2 gets cancelled, is equal to R. Here P is equal to R. This we have proved. Let us take value of Q. Q is equal to, we have taken Q 1 upon 2I, A minus conjugate transpose of A. Okay, and this is equal to 1 upon 2I. Now A is R plus IS and A theta is R minus IS. Its minus sign, minus R plus IS, and this is equal to 1 upon 2I into bracket RR gets cancelled, 2 times IS. 2 gets cancelled, II gets cancelled, is equal to S. Here we have proved Q is equal to S and P is equal to R. This is nothing but uniqueness of this theorem. Okay. In this way we can prove this property number 3. Let us solve problem on this property. This one. Property. We have to solve problem on this property. Yes, this problem. Express the matrix A as P plus IQ, where P and Q both are Hermitian matrices. P and Q both are Hermitian matrices. So first of all, matrix A is given. We have to find out conjugate transpose of this matrix. So what we have to do? First find conjugate and then its transpose. Conjugate of given matrix is changing the sign of I to 2 minus I 3 minus 2 minus I 0 minus 4I. Okay. Then I 3 plus I and 1 plus I. This is conjugate of matrix A. Once again you can check this. 2 is a real number as it is. 2 plus I, its conjugate will be 2 minus I. 3 is real number. Minus 2 plus I, its conjugate will be minus 2 minus I. 0 as it is. 4I, its conjugate is minus 4I. Minus I, its conjugate is I. 3 minus I, its conjugate is 3 plus I. And 1 minus I, its conjugate is 1 plus I. Now, transpose of this, transpose of A bar, that is nothing but conjugate transpose of A, and which is A bar, its transpose. This is equal to, now what we have to do, first column becomes first row. This first column 2 minus 2 minus I, this is first row. Second column becomes second row of this matrix, 2 minus I, 0, 3 plus I. Third column becomes third row of this matrix, 3 minus 4I, 1 plus I. Okay, this is conjugate transpose of matrix A. Now what we have to do? We have to find out A plus A theta and A minus A theta. Addition of this matrix and this matrix. A plus A theta is equal to, A plus A theta is equal to, write the matrix A, 2, 2 plus I, 3, minus 2 plus I, 0, 4I, minus I, 3 minus I, 1 minus I, plus conjugate transpose of A, this one, 2 minus 2 minus I, 2 minus I, 0, 3 plus I, 3 minus 4I, 1 plus I. Addition of these two matrices, that is nothing but addition of corresponding elements. Now 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus I minus 2 minus I, that is what? 2 plus I, 2 minus I, that is 0. Okay, 0. Then 3 plus I, that is 3 plus I. And then minus 2 plus I, minus 2 plus 2, 0, plus I minus I, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 4I, 3 plus 5I. 3 plus, is this right? 3 plus 5I. Now minus I plus 3, that is 3 minus I, 3 minus I minus 4I, 3 minus 5I, 3 minus 5I, 1 minus I plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, minus I plus I, 0, that is 2. A plus A theta is equal to, we have obtained 2. Let us find A minus A theta. A minus A theta is equal to, now A is this matrix, 2, 2 plus I, 3 minus 2 plus I, 0, 4I, minus I, 3 minus I, 1 minus I, minus this matrix, 2 minus 2 minus I, 2 minus I, 0, 3 plus I, 3 minus 4I, 1 plus I. If we subtract this matrix from this matrix, we will get another matrix that is equal to, yes, this is equal to 2 minus 2, 0, 2 plus I, minus minus plus 2, plus I, that is equal to 4 plus 2I. This becomes 4 plus 2I. 3 minus I, minus 2 plus I, minus 2 plus I, that is what? Minus 4 plus 2I. Then 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 4I plus 3 plus I, 4i plus 3 plus I, that is equal to minus 3 minus I, that is equal to minus 3 plus 3i. Okay, then this minus this minus this, and this minus this, that gives minus 3 minus I, 3 plus 3i, and minus 2i. Okay, a minus a theta. Now P is equal to square matrix A, we have expressed as square matrix A is equal to 1 upon 2 A plus conjugate transpose of A plus I into 1 upon 2i A minus conjugate transpose of A. Okay, now putting A plus A theta and A minus A theta, A is equal to 1 upon 2 this matrix, 1 upon 2 4 0 3 plus I, 0 0 3 plus 5i, 3 minus I, 3 minus 5i, and 2 plus I into 1 upon 2i, 1 upon 2i. Now this matrix, this one, 0 4 plus 2i, 3 minus I, minus 4 plus 2i, 0 minus 3 plus 3i, then minus 3 minus I, 3 plus 3i, minus 2i. Now divide each element of this matrix by 2 and divide each element of this matrix by 2i. That gives A is equal to, first matrix becomes 4 divided by 2, that is what? 2. 0 divided by 2, that is 0. And 3 plus I divided by 2, that is 3 plus I divided by 2. 0 0 3 plus 5i divided by 2, and then third row 3 minus I divided by 2, 3 minus 5i divided by 2, and 2 divided by 2, that is 1, plus I into, divide each element by 1 upon 2i. First element becomes 0, second element becomes 1 minus 4 plus 2i. Then this is equal to divided by 2i, that gives 0 1 minus 2i, then minus 1 minus 3i, 1 plus 2i. You can check this because we are dividing each element by 2i. This 4 divided by 2i, 2 upon I, that is minus 2i. 2i divided by 2i, 1. 3 minus I divided by 2i. Okay, you will get minus 1 minus 3i. Minus 1 minus 3i divided by 2. And then 1 plus 2i, 0, 3 plus 3i divided by 2. And third row becomes minus 1 plus 3i divided by 2, minus 1 plus 3i divided by 2. Am I right? 3 minus 3i divided by 2, and 1 minus 2i divided by 2i, that is minus 1. You can check this, and which is equal to, we can write this is equal to, this matrix is P plus I and this matrix is Q. So square matrix A is expressed in the form of P plus IQ, where P and Q both are Hermitian matrices. Here this matrix will be Hermitian matrix. You can satisfy the condition of Hermitian matrices for this matrix. This matrix also will be Hermitian matrix because this will also satisfy the condition of Hermitian matrices. So this is square matrix A is expressed in terms of P plus IQ. Okay, thank you all.